Hello everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. So today we're going to be checking out some natural hairstyle ideas that don't have any weave. So believe it or not, this is an easier video to put together than I thought it would be because there's so many women that have gone natural and have long hair now. And we don't need to be rocking weave, we can wear our own strands. So it looks like the first influencer is doing a half up, half down style. She did like a braid out first to create some texture within her hair. And this, of course, is a great everyday hairstyle idea. So moving right along, we have a natural getting ready to straighten her hair. So she is doing a full blowout first. And you want to make sure that you always use a heat protectant when you are straightening your hair. So she's going in with the flat iron. She has got some beautiful hair. Wow, her hair is so long. So moving on, we see the influencer Jasmine. She used to be one of my favorites to follow back in the day. I feel like she pretty much started the baby hair trend up again. Like she was just doing the baby hairs when nobody else was really doing them. So it looks like she is doing some bubble ponytails with this hairstyle. And if you guys haven't checked out the video where I was just kind of like talking about how bubble ponytails really look like braids to me, this is a great hairstyle to try out if you cannot braid. Perfect hairstyle because it looks like faux braids. So then we have someone doing a deep conditioner treatment. If you are trying to grow your hair out, deep conditioning your hair on the regular is how you are going to get it done. You want to make sure you keep that moisture in it. So she used a mixture of like avocado and just kind of like homemade kitchen stuff. But she has really pretty hair. So now she's washing the conditioner out. Curls for days, and she got some bangs. Those curls are popping. So moving on, we have someone with a kinkier texture. So a lot of the times my type 4 girls will have the longest hair, but you can't always see it because of the shrinkage that we get. So she is straightening her hair out, and you can already see like how long her hair actually is versus when it is in its natural state. Honestly, it's kind of a cruel thing, the fact that type 4 hair can be so deceiving, but it's also a blessing in disguise because if you don't want to wear your hair all out, you can always, wear your hair in its natural state, keep it short, and keep your hair kind of off your shoulders so it's pretty much protected. So moving on, we have another type 4 hair tutorial. So she is also going to be doing a half up, half down style. And I don't know what she put in her hair, but her hair, her curls just look so juicy. So it looks like she's doing a head wrap style. Ooh, that is a high ponytail. That's like very African inspired. Kind of reminds me of Sideshow Bob. Oh, I feel like he wore his hair like that when he was in a ponytail. I don't know. It was a cute style, but it just reminded me of Sideshow Bob. So she's got some really pretty curls as well. Oh, that's cute. She did that like loose hair mixed in with the braided hair trend on her own hair. I've never seen that before because most of the time when I see it done with a weave, but that was really pretty. So next up, it looks like she is doing like a simple bun style. Oh, she's doing a head wrap. Now that is a perfect everyday style. So here is the same influencer we started the video off with, and here she is doing a roller set. Her curls are so pretty. Then we got Jasmine again. So she's showing us like several different styles. So it looks like she's going to be doing like the bun style with this next one. This is another cute like everyday style. And this is a look you can rock no matter what your hair type is. I love the fact that she added like little accents in the buns. That's really cute. Very pretty. So it looks like she did a half up, half down style with braids. Then we got a rubber band ponytail style. Very cute. Alright you guys, so if you enjoy checking out these hairstyles with me, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.